Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Okay, in this simple 2-3 minute video, I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life on this Chevy Trax. This is a 2018, but if you have a similar vehicle, doesn't matter. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get inside the car, and we're gonna be using this menu button and this toggle button. You see there's up, down, and menu button, and then this is the set button. Okay, so pay attention to everything I'm doing. I'm gonna try to give you a good view of everything, so let's pay attention to what's going on in the car on the dash and the screen. So once we start up the car, you're gonna have a signal here that says change oil, just like that. Okay, if you have 15%, 10%, doesn't matter, but we're gonna reset that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this key, you're gonna turn it into accessory. Do not start the engine, you don't need to press the brake pedal, gas pedal. Okay, and we're gonna use this button here. We're gonna press menu, and okay, we're gonna press the set button here. Just get into where you can scroll up and down. Okay, and we're gonna use the menu button here. Press menu. Okay, and right there. So once you get into vehicle, you see it's on trip right now. Once you get into vehicle by using this menu button, you see how it moves. The letter, you can see it's selecting. Okay, there's like a little triangle, it's facing down. And once you're in the vehicle, that's when you're going to use this scroll button up and down. So you go through all the settings. Once you're in the oil, you're going to press menu. Okay, I'm sorry again. We're going to go back to menu. We're going to go to, and we're going to press set here. This is the button right here. So once you press that, it's going to ask you for reset, yes or no. You select yes, and I'm going to push down on this button, and it's going to reset. Bada bing, bada boom, 100%. Very simple. Okay, it was a little bit confusion here, so all I use is my button to scroll either to trip or vehicle. So go to vehicle and look for the oil percentage. If it says 5%, that's when you're gonna select here, and then it's gonna ask you yes or no, and you're gonna use scroll up and down to select yes, and then just press set, and it's gonna change. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.